This is the Ipsy May 2020 Glam Bag Plus. It comes in a cute little pink box. When you open it up, it comes with 5 products, full size, and a makeup bag. There's no product information on the card, but I will put it on the side. So the first product is this Nomad palette. Ipsy limited edition Kiss of the Sun palette. I put a little bit about the product information on the side. It's information from the Ipsy app. It retails for $27, as you can see there on the side. It's a bronzer and highlighter palette. So just opening it up, it comes with 4 colors: Balmoral Beach, Tamarama Beach, Bondi Beach, and Manly Beach. So I'm just swatching all the colors. This is what it looks like. It came with this little makeup bag. This is what the inside looks like. The next product is this Mimosa Moment eyeshadow palette by Colored Rain. It retails for $22. So just opening it up, it comes with 6 colors. The colors don't have names, but these are what these swatches look like. The next product is this Mud Masky After Mask Serum. It retails for $52.88. Just opening it up. This is what it looks like. The next product is the Sugar Coat Liquid Lipstick by Tarte. It retails for $15 in the color Cupcake. This is what the color looks like. The last product is this Wonder Beauty Eyebrow Gel. It's clear, it just looks like this. Has a very thin brush. So that is all in my May 2020 Glam Bag Plus.